Alright guys, I want to show you my Veto pack. This is the LTXL. It's one you can carry a laptop in. It's got a little laptop compartment. I keep my paperwork in there, so I don't really carry a laptop with me right now. But if you're about to buy a bag and you want a good bag, I'm telling you, Vetos are the way to go. They stand up good. This bag is, I don't know, a year and a half old. Yeah, maybe two. I don't know. It's been a damn good bag, and the stuff that you can put in them is just really amazing. I put this thing on a diet. It used to have a lot of stuff in it. Keep my little furnace fuller. This went to my fluke. It was a temperature from a fluke. Yeah, it's just really windy out here today. I'm hoping it doesn't. It's from my nitrogen. It doesn't mess with the camera sound too bad, but I'm trying to block it here. Got a little pocket here. I don't really have anything in here. I've got a little magnetic strap from my fluke. And in this pocket here, that's where I keep all my screwdrivers and stuff. Now I got all my nut drafters. These are all Raptors. We're buying the Kleins. I kind of like the Raptors better. I like the color-coded handles. These are about a year and a half old now. They haven't stripped out or anything yet. And I use the hell out of them. They're magnetic. You know, I just like them. They're Craftsman professional screwdrivers. These are a couple years old too. They just got all my different screwdrivers. I don't know why I carry so many different screwdrivers. I only use a few of them, but if I need one, I've got them. I think there's even more in here. One down in here. There's another little stubby one. Alright. I got some little PVC cutters. Now, I am a Klein fan. I do like Klein tools. I got my wire strippers. Sorry about that, guys. My phone shut off, so I had to restart my phone. But anyways, I like this brand too. Nipix, I guess is what you would call them. I don't know. But I've had these. You know, all these tools I've had for a couple years. I'm pretty anal about my tools, so I don't lose a whole lot of tools. But you know, even after a couple years, there's not even not a dent in them, and they've held up pretty good. And I've got the needle nose. They're pretty cool. Got wire strippers and everything built right in them. They're Nipix too. So they're cool. That's a drill bit for drilling out my vents. Always gotta have a flashlight. I am definitely a streamlight whore. I love my streamlight flashlights. Little inspection mirror. These are for my fluke meters. So grab a hold of some, well, you know what they are. I ain't gonna tell you. Up here, keep a paper clip. That's for that good old Goodman furnace that wants the pressure switch plug wants to clog up. Run that down through there and clean that right out. That's pretty common around here. Keep a couple batteries and some fuses up in here. And inside, keep a fluke meter. There's the Fluke 87. I like it. It's been a good meter for me. Got a good deal on it. Yep. Another Streamlight. Super bright flashlight there. My God, it'll hurt your eyes right there. Keep that in there. It's good for crawl spaces. It's got me a little cheap amp clamp, so I can do my amps real quick. Field piece. Field piece. Fluke. I got another pair of wire strippers. I got two pairs of wire strippers. Got my little burner brush, cleaning out the burners. Another Streamlight. They're rechargeable. I didn't know this one was even in the bag. I used it the other night. I must have threw it in there. Let's see what else is down in here. Nipix, no. Yeah, these are the Nipix channel locks. They're real good. These are about 4 years old. Got a couple pair of them in here, a couple different sizes. Of course, gotta have one of them. Tape measure, tubing cutters, just your standard stuff here. Electrical tape, little connectors, stubbies. It fell down in there somehow. Then there's a bunch of junk. These pockets are huge. You can put a lot of stuff in here. And this side I keep my paperwork. I took it all out right now. Keep my little lighter in here for lighting burners, pallet lights. But this is where your laptop would go. This is where your junk would go. Got two sides in it. I'm eventually going to be carrying the laptop in here, just not right now. I've taken a lot of stuff out. This is I carry this bag everywhere I go, so I had to lighten it up some. My mega ohm meter. And I don't know why I carry this in here. I don't really use this at all anymore. That's a MA line. You know, it's differential manometer. These are just like a little socket set. And a little drain blaster. I like these. They get them cleaned up pretty good. My little UV lights for doing my dye test when I do them. A couple charging calculators, duct calculators. For my my drain cleaner. And you still got all kinds of room. We got a little pocket voltometer in here. My little jumpers. Got some jumpers in there. Another alligator clip. What else I got? And what them more? I got a few of these, a few different kinds of these. These are a lifesaver. Changing out valve cores. And I've got a few different pocket screwdrivers, or just little small screwdrivers. And there's another one. In the front pocket here, I don't think I can keep a whole lot in here, just more CO2 cartridges. Pocket here, this is when I was using my flute to measure for my superheat. That don't get used very much anymore either. You know, so at any given time, that's pretty much what I keep on my, that goes in the house with me every day. You know, I don't know how much it weighs. I guess I should weigh it. I'll do that. I'll put all it back in there and we'll weigh it and see what it weighs. So just give me a few minutes. Alright guys, so here's the scale. Let's see what that bad boy weighs. Get that center out. No. Put that up on here. Looking about 31 pounds is what it weighs. I guess it's bad enough, but and I took some of the stuff out of it. Show you all my dogs. Come here, Sylvia. This is Sylvia. Look up here. There you go. My little Weimaraner. My little Bruno. He's my little dachshund. These two, whoops. These two are something else. What's going on, boy? Yep, there's something else. But that's a couple of my members here. Look at that. Going on. Going on. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.